gym and we're on the couch inside. Well, it's nice and cool in here. Bless me. It's really bad. So, yeah, I normally spend a bunch of time outside. I do, of course, camp, but yeah. Even when I'm in town, I try and spend time outside, but not when it's this hot. I think it's like 40 degrees outside or something today. Just the humidity's like the worst. Subtropical climate is rough. With my like fibromyalgia and chronic fatigue syndrome and other health stuff, like I get cold intolerance too, but I get heat intolerance really badly, so yeah, it's nice to have aircon access while I'm in town.